Engineered and designed to assist UAV systems in downloading and transmitting data back to command centers from the field, Advanced Packaging Incorporated is proud to demonstrate the following systems integration case: a full motion video kit to conduct UAV operations. This rugged and fully operational solution for video data capture, processing, and transfer provides an all-in-one solution for aerial video production. Our engineers have outfitted the case with the following capabilities: a Thales MissionLink 700 satellite communication unit, a Cradlepoint LTE Wi-Fi router for a mobile hotspot, a power supply and battery system so the unit can run off of a charge when remote in the field, an HDMI to USB adapter for transferring footage via the Cradlepoint router, and an area built into the lid which allows for both laptop storage as well as a charging port. The exterior of the case features satellite LTE and Wi-Fi antenna ports on the outside of the case to connect into, exterior ports for AC and DC power, HDMI, USB, and Ethernet connections. As you can see, at API, our team has the experience and mastery to provide your company with a cost-effective means to transmit critical video from the field back to your mobile command center. By collaborating with our engineers, your vision will be transformed into a fully integrated turnkey solution. If you have questions regarding API's capabilities, please visit our website today to learn more.